already know that Mailingboss is one of the most solid and robust systems with the best performance. We know that Mailingboss beats all competitors regarding the numbers of emails delivered to inbox due to its exclusive deliverability technology. We also know that Mailingboss is the only unlimited tool in the number of subscribers and email submissions, saving you hundreds of dollars every single month. And what you may not know yet is that Builderall 5.0 brings a new Mailingboss, much more robust with more features, and it's much more intuitive. The new interface of Mailingboss is much more user-friendly, and it was developed taking into account thousands of feedbacks that our users have been giving it to us in the last 2 years. With the new optimized interface, it is much easier for new users on the platform to use Mailingboss effectively, such as creating email campaigns with just 3 clicks. With the new workflow, the user is also able to create sequences, funnels, automations, and campaigns without ever leaving the workflow, making work much easier, faster, and more visual. A great new feature in Mailingboss 5.0 is that leads no longer belong to a list, but to an account. An email captured in 5 different lists will count to the user as an email with 5 different segments. This will give you much more freedom to combine your leads in any campaign with more comprehensive and efficient filtering and segmentation system. And when you create and send a campaign, you will now be able to follow the results in real time, evaluate the performance of your campaigns second by second as it is sent, thus allowing you for faster action according to the engagement of your audience. And another novelty that has also been requested for a long time by our users, which has only been possible to develop now, given the new technology of Mailingboss, is a system of multiple forms per list, thus offering you the possibility of having a single email list, but with different capture forms, pending confirmation pages, and thank you pages. The new infrastructure must also be added to all this, all redesigned to support high-volume campaigns and users with thousands of leads. Today, Mailingboss is one of the main reasons why hundreds of users migrate to Builderall every day. And with the launch of Builderall 5.0, we are more than ready to serve the most demanding digital marketer professional with total efficiency and quality.